Hey everybody, welcome to what I call the 0-hour workdays. I call it that because I make around $10,000 per month and it takes me around 15 to 20 minutes per day to maintain that income. So not only can you make a good amount of money, but you also don't need to spend that much time to be able to do it, which in my opinion is even more important, okay? Because the biggest mistake that people make is that they trade time for money. So they usually have some kind of job that they do, and they say, okay, I'm gonna give you this many hours of my life, and in exchange for those hours, I want this amount of money per hour. And that's a terrible transaction, and the reason for that is because you can always make more money. There's lots of marketers that are making good money online. There's lots of people that are having success with a wide array of different strategies, but you can't buy back more time, okay? So time is a more valuable asset than money, but money's still important, okay? But this course is gonna teach you to be able to do both. Now, if you follow me, my name's Brendan Mace. If this is your first exposure to me, then nice to meet you. If you do know me, then you'll know that I have a YouTube channel for several years now and a blog. I have over 25,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so I am the real deal. And if you actually look at my videos, I give people real tutorials with real information that actually shows them exactly how to make money online, right? Now, I've had a lot of people for a long time say, Brendan, when are you gonna throw together a course to actually show how you manage to get the results that you get and have the lifestyle that you have, right? And I put off creating that course for a really long time. And then this month when I was in Thailand, you know, I've been traveling for the last year now, and I've had so much rest and relaxation that I was like, you know what, screw it. I'm gonna spend more than 15 minutes a day for a little while here, and I'm gonna throw together a course so that I can show people and change other people's lives and allow them to be able to accomplish the results that I've been able to get over the last couple years, okay? So finally I've scratched together a course. That's what you're looking at right now. It's actually gonna show you what I do in my main business to get the results that I get. So it's legitimately gonna show you the strategies, what I do, the overview, the concepts, everything that you need to know to be able to create a business like the one that I've created that allows me to travel around the world. Now, just because I travel around the world and that's what I do with my freedom, doesn't mean that that's what you have to do with your freedom. Freedom can be expressed in a lot of different ways. So for some people, that might be just about sitting on the couch and watching Netflix with your spouse. Or it might be having some beers with your buddy in the middle of the day. Or it might be, you know, traveling around the world like I am. Doesn't matter. Freedom is up to you. But it sure beats having to go to work with a dick boss that tells you what you can and can't do. But now I have a question for you. How much would you be willing to invest if a successful marketer was willing to show you behind the scenes of a successful $10,000 per month business? Now, I know that you would probably be willing to invest a lot of money, especially if you have the budget for it. People pay thousands upon thousands of dollars to go to university and get bachelor degrees that really don't get them anywhere, and we actually have a successful business that you're going to be able to replicate, and I'm going to show you what you need to know. How much would you pay for that? Now, I'm going to surprise you, I'm going to shock you. For right now, if you're watching this video and it's still live, I'm only charging less than $10. Now, the reason for that is because I want to reward people that are fast action takers, people that see a good opportunity and they don't waste time, they take it when it's still a good opportunity, okay? Because by the time a lot of people know about this business model, it might not be as lucrative anymore. So I can't promise that I'm gonna leave this course up, and I can't promise that I'm gonna leave this course up for this price point. So for the next week or so, I am going to have this sales page available to get purchased for less than $10. Now, if you think about that, that's what it costs, or less than what it costs, to go out for lunch. So if you skip lunch one day, you can potentially learn a business that can transform and completely change your life and give yourself the freedom that you deserve.